Hi friends, welcome to Nestila's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show another healthy snack for kids. Wait. Do not name it as pizza just because of the way it looks. Looks can be deceiving. Let's see the procedure and we can name it later. For this, I have taken 1 cup urad dal, 1 cup rice and 1 cup jawar. Now, soak these for 3 to 4 hours and grind them in a mixie or a grinder and leave it for fermentation for 2 hours. After 2 hours, add a pinch of turmeric, salt as per the taste and 1 inch ginger chopped into fine pieces. And then add 2 to 3 green chilies chopped into fine pieces and 2 tablespoons of finely chopped carrots, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped capsicum pieces, half tablespoon soaked chana dal, 1 tablespoon coriander chopped finely. See, this is 1 tablespoon coriander and 1 cup of onions finely chopped. Onions bring a special taste to our dish. That's why we are adding a little more of those. And 2 sprigs of curry leaves finely chopped. After that, add 1 teaspoon of zira and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Yes, we have to add mustard seeds directly into this mixture. And now give it a good mix and take thick bottomed pan, or even you can use dosa tawa also. Here I am using a thick bottomed pan. Add oil and take 1 ladle full of batter and pour it generously in the pan. See, just like how we make uttappam, in the same way, pour 1 ladle of batter and adjust it accordingly. It shouldn't be thin like a dosa. It should be thick like uttappam. So pour the batter accordingly. Now we have to make it interesting to kids. So for that, give a little touch of cheese. Grate the cheese over the uttappam. See, just like how I'm showing in the screen. Now we have to cook this uttappam on both sides. So close the lid and cook it on one side. Now flip the uttappam and cook it on the other side. Set the stove to simmer and cook the uttappam, flipping it on both sides until it becomes crunchy. See, now I have flipped it and I have cooked it on the other side too. That's it. We are done. The tasty and crispy uttappam is ready. Now, if you have to feed the children, you can name it as magic pizza and you can give it. Do not just put it in the plate and give it to the kids in this way. If you give it to them like that, they will not feel anything special about this. So now take a knife or a pizza cutter and cut it like a pizza. See, like just how I am showing in the screen. You have to cut it like this and give it to them along with tomato ketchup. It tastes great with ketchup. It can even be had just like that, but it tasted great with ketchup. This is not a snack item just for kids. This is loaded with n number of health benefits. Just Google the health benefits of jawar and you'll definitely make it. Do try it at home and let me know in the comment section how it turned out to be. And do not forget to share it with your friends and family members. And if you haven't subscribed to the Nischala's Kitchen yet, please do hit on the subscribe button for such healthier recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.